YouTube, it is me, Pat the Sound Guy, back again. I got a little quick one for you. Little trimmer. Just picked this up from a customer of mine today. You know, it's something I can do for a quick project and maybe share with you guys. Quick trick. Now, these guys, this is a Craftsman. It says Weedwacker on it, but this is a, normally you see these, they're green, and they're made by Weedeater, which is American Air Products, you know, Husqvarna, Poulon, whatever. So I've seen tons and tons and tons of these. I've repaired tons and tons and tons of them. And everybody usually throws them away when they don't work because they just say, let's throw away. Yeah. No, don't throw it away. You can fix it pretty cheap, usually. So first thing I do with these, when I get them, because a lot of shops won't touch them because they're not worth fixing at a proper shop rate, so fix it yourself. This is what we do. I look at the fuel lines, you know, they're not cracked, falling off. Okay, first off, that's good. Primer bulb's good. First thing I do, don't even put any gas in it. T25 Torx. I whip this apart like this. Air cleaner off. You can see that needs a new air filter. We'll deal with that later. Rig something up or order a new one. No biggie. Pull a little metal plate out that keeps from sucking that air cleaner in there. And we've got access to our intake and our carburetor. So normally with some of this equipment, you take off the muffler to have a look inside the cylinder to see if it's scored and all toast. But you don't need to do all that if you just got something flammable. Now, the best thing to use for this is two-stroke mix. But I'm not set up right now with my proper squirt bottle and such stuff because I'm displaced from my regular shop. So we got something flammable liquid. The reason why you don't use too much of this because it'll wash any oil off this piston, all bearing stuff. But just use a little shot. You know, don't do what I do. Do what I say. But anyway, little shot of that in there. Make sure any buttons that turn it on or off, it's in the on position. And just give it a yank. There you go. Starts up. So it runs. Okay, there you go. So now you don't have to take anything else apart. You know, okay, it's got compression, it's got spark. So you can tear into that carburetor and, you know, replace that diaphragm kit. Maybe just a diaphragm, meter diaphragm. Real cheap. So let's get into that next. So that's the next video for you. But that's a quick way to see if your trimmer's worth touching or not. Spray a little something flammable in there. Don't tear it all apart yet. Try it out first. Quick one. See you on the next one.